This morning, we received another email from Stablefund. Most of us are still waiting for a refund or for more information on V2. This is what we got today. It says, "Hi, Eric. Thank you for your patience as we update you on what is happening." Then they say, "When is V2 launch?" So they want to make us understand that V2 is going to be built from scratch, a new backend, a new contract, and a new set of rules. As mentioned previously, V2 will not be open to the public. It will be limited to a selected group of investors. And they say the team expects V2 to launch by mid to late December. Now, I guess we're just going to have to wait and see if that actually happens. They do have to start everything from scratch. I'm not sure if that's already in the process or not, but all that to say is that they are planning to launch V2 anywhere in the mid to late December. So in about a month to a month and a half from now. Now, they do say they want V2 to be more transparent as compared to Stablefund because, yeah, we kind of know Stablefund. They were making money from these supposed bots. Nobody's ever seen those, so we just kind of had that 1.5% daily. It was happening. Nobody was questioning it, and it was working until, of course, it wasn't. Now, they do say that they are working on implementing a structure where the daily trade reports are displayed within the platform itself. If that's the case, that is absolutely awesome. Again, we're just going to have to wait and see. Now, for those of you like myself who are still waiting for their refunds, it's been about a week and a half now since they started off these BUSD refunds. If we go take a look at their Discord on October 31st, so on Halloween day, they said BUSD refunds will be starting from tomorrow morning. So that brings us to November 1st. And today we are November 11th. So if we take a look at what they're saying today about the refunds, they say many of you already received your refunds and we request the ones waiting to please allow us another 2 to 3 weeks to complete the process. As mentioned in previous emails, not everyone will be receiving their refunds at the same time. We are refunding investors on a first come, first serve basis. Now, this is interesting to me because they do say many of you have already received your refunds, and it's also on a first come, first serve basis. Now, when this actually came into the light of things and you were able to decide whether or not you wanted to go to V2 or if you wanted to get a refund, I instantly pressed refund. So I did definitely request the refund on the first day it was available to us for us to pick the option between the two. And I selected refund and I haven't received anything. And it is supposed to be on a first come, first serve basis, but I'm just still waiting and I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. I'm sure a lot of people have decided to go for a refund much faster and quicker than me. But again, we are still waiting and apparently another 2 to 3 weeks to complete the process. Now, if we take a look at what Michael said this morning, he is saying, "Dear everyone, you all need to stop with this jail BS. We never stopped anyone from withdrawing their funds. If your greed made you keep compounding, don't blame us. We haven't once said people won't be refunded, so that's good. Everyone who has applied for refunds will be refunded. People who have applied for V2 will be migrated. If you all don't see what's going on with the crypto world right now, then that's not our fault. Many exchanges have suspended big withdrawals. We are accumulating all our assets to get refunds completed in one go. We have always kept our word and will continue to do so. If the whole crypto liquidity is in crunch, then there's nothing we can do and we have to wait until we get our withdrawals." Now, there is some truth to that. Obviously, we've seen everything happen with FTX. A lot of withdrawals are being paused or simply canceled or are just not going through. So I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. But again, I mean, this has been ongoing for about 2 weeks now, and they haven't pulled all of their money out. So again, we're just gonna have to wait and see. They do say that if you kept compounding, that's basically on you. They never told you to do that. So if you decided to compound and your greed got the best of you, that is on you, according to Michael. Now, let's just go ahead and talk about this here because they gave us a BUSD address. This is where they say if you're invested in BUSD, please keep an eye on your transactions from this wallet. So if we take a look at this wallet, this finishes by A1, and if we go on to BSC scan, we see that this is this wallet finishing by A1, and we have a bunch of transactions. They start 10 days ago, or there's a few transactions a few hours ago, but the bulk of these transactions are coming from 10 days ago, and this is looking like people getting refunded in BUSD. We have a bunch of different amounts here going to a bunch of different wallets, and I assume these are all refunds coming from this wallet because they publicly posted this and they said refunds have started, keep an eye on this wallet, and then that's basically how you're getting refunded. So I was interested in seeing where the money was coming from and where the money was going to. So I went on explorer.bitquery, and this is a website where you can plug in a wallet address and it's going to tell you where the money is coming from, where the money is going to, and you can also increase the depth level to see where it goes after it reaches a certain wallet. So as we take a look at this same wallet, again finishing by A1, it looks like most of the money here, and this is from October 1st to October 31st, so within the month of October, we have 3 million BUSD coming from this wallet ending in 383, and it's coming to this wallet in question, which was the one giving out refunds to people in BUSD. So now I copy pasted that wallet address into BSC scan, and as we can see, we have about $5 million in BUSD in that wallet, which is great news because if we remember, this wallet here, the one ending in 383, is actually the one funding the wallet that they're using to refund people in BUSD. So again, you look at the 383 wallet sending $3 million worth of BUSD over the month of October into this wallet, which is the A1 wallet, which is then used to send people their refunds back. So as we can see, this A1 wallet doesn't have any funds left, but the wallet that has funded this A1 wallet still has $5 million in it. So they could go ahead and send this $5 million back to the A1 wallet, which is the wallet they published, and told everybody that this is the wallet they're going to be using for the refunds. If they send that 5 million over here and continue with the refund process, well, that's all good. And that may very well be what they decide to do over these next few weeks. Now, if we take a look at some of the transactions on this 383 wallet, we can see that it's coming from this wallet and it's going to the F6E wallet, and we have crazy amounts of money going into this wallet. Now, I went ahead and I pasted the 383 wallet into BigQuery to follow the money, and as we can see, most of this money is being sent to this 6E wallet. So over the last week, they took all of that money, or $1 million in BUSD from the 383 wallet, and they've sent it over to that F6E wallet. Now, if we go ahead and we add another outbound layer to this, we can see that most of this money, or basically all of this money that is coming into this F6E wallet, is being sent to this 9CB wallet. So if we take a look at this wallet here, which is the F6E, and again, this is where all of the money is coming into. So we can see that they don't have any money in this wallet per se, but they have been receiving money from that 383 wallet. And what's happening is that they are going on to MXC exchange and they are sending that over here. So for example, over the last days, you can see that all of these $30,000 transactions are coming into this wallet, and then this wallet is sending it out to MXC. So they are taking money out on MXC. Now, this doesn't necessarily scream red flags, but it just goes to show that they are using MXC to take some money out of their decentralized wallets. They're using a centralized wallet to then bring out a fair bit of money into MXC exchange. I'm not too sure if that's their process, how they go about refunding people, but they are using MXC and they have taken out a whole lot of money through MXC. So the last thing, if we just take a look at the entire month of October and we take a look at this 383 wallet, which is basically the one that had funded the refund wallet where people were getting refunded in BUSD, they essentially had $17 million come into this wallet. And then we can see an outcome of about $11.2 million. Of course, we know that there's still about $5 million in this wallet. But then you can see where the money's going. So we have about 3 million going into that A1 wallet, which is that wallet they use to refund people. Then you have other wallets here, 2 million in this wallet. No idea what this is. Again, another 2 million, 2 million, 1 million, 717K, and 569K in these wallets. So I'm going to leave a link to this in the description below. If you want to have fun and follow the money, you can definitely go ahead and do that. I am not trying to spread FUD or anything. I'm again saying that if they are withdrawing money on MXC, it may be for valid reasons and they may be trying to refund holders in the next few weeks. That's exactly what they say here. They say allow us another 2 to 3 weeks to complete the process. So we're going to stay tuned, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks, we are going to have our refunds back if you are waiting for refunds. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let me know your thoughts on the whole process down in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.